Happy Thursday, my royal family. I am back at you guys again. I hope everyone enjoyed the chicken and dressing deviled eggs. Let me tell you, they are awesome. Okay, I want to bring another one of our favorites to you. Might be a little strange to some people, but it is green beans and tomatoes. And I get a lot of requests for this, so tonight I'm cooking a 7-pound can for a group of people. So let me show you here what I have. I did 6 slices of bacon. I cut them up, and of course you see they're browning. I did 1/2 of a large onion. I cut it up finely, and I think it was 4 garlic cloves to this. So you want to saute it and get the bacon nice and not really crispy, but you know, nice and rendered. And to this, I'm going to add, we're going to really season this up. And the green beans I'm doing, they're canned green beans. I do like fresh green beans, but for this recipe, I really like the can. So this is a 7-pound can that I'm doing. Again, I'm doing it for a large group of people. So let me show you. We're going to go ahead and pour all these beans. You see all these beans? A whole bunch of them. Just get them in there. You don't want to stir these too much because you don't want to break them up. You know, have them all beat up. Okay, so I'll put that in there. And what we're going to do now, I have 2 16 ounces of stewed Italian tomatoes that we're going to add. Okay, let's just put that in there. Yeah. This is going to be really, really nice. Okay, now for the seasonings. And I'm going to say maybe, okay, I'm trying to get the soy sauce open, so excuse me, you guys. Thought I had it open, but I guess I didn't. I'm going to say 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. Okay, let's go with soy. You see that? That's the soy. Low sodium. Next, we're going to add granulated garlic. Even though I chopped some up, I still want to put some in here because I want this nicely flavored. So I'm going to say for the garlic, let's do a teaspoon of garlic. All right, let's put that in there. So we're going to do a teaspoon of garlic. And yes, even though I have onions in there, let's do a teaspoon of granulated onion. Okay. There you go. There goes the onion. Next, we're going to put in love bay leaves. Especially when you're doing a tomato-based product. It's just something about the bay leaves that just really, really enhances the flavor. Let me see. Let's do 3 since the can is so large. Okay, and next we're going to do chili powder. Yes, chili powder. Okay, so let's just stir this up. And you guys, you would think, you know, I'm shooting a video that I would really have all the ingredients, but I don't. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be back because we need the chicken stock and we also need the salt and black pepper. All right, hang on. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I was going to do chicken stock, but since they're having brisket tomorrow with their meal, I'm going to go ahead and let's do 1 cup of beef broth. So let's just put that in here. I'm trying to measure, you know, a cup. And also on your green beans, please drain the liquid off that they come in. Drain that off. You don't want that liquid. Okay, and I'm gonna do maybe 2 teaspoons of salt. Let's make it 3 teaspoons. And some black pepper. Not much because we have the chili powder. Okay, and we're going to give this a stir. This is another recipe I promise you guys you will love, because the flavor from the tomatoes, the garlic, and the chili powder is really awesome. Okay, now I want you to take note of this. The green beans are already done, so you do not want to cook it on slow. What I'm going to do, we're going to do it on 7. Let me show you. So wherever that's at on your stove top, let's do it at 7. You want it to cook quickly, but you also want it to reduce so the flavors can really penetrate the green beans. Okay, let's do this for 10 minutes. I'll come back. The green beans should be done, and I'll show you guys the finished product. I told you, this is going to be a quick video. Thank you. All right, you guys, one more thing I forgot to tell you. Go ahead and cover it with a top. Remember, put it on about a 7 and do it for only 10 minutes because your green beans are already done. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I am finally finished, my royal family. Here is the string beans with tomatoes and bacon. You guys really have to try out this recipe. It makes a wonderful side dish. And if you've never tried it, please give it a try. Again, this is string beans with tomatoes and bacon, and it is seasoned very well. You guys have a blessed day. Hopefully I will see you this weekend or first thing Monday morning, and we will do another holiday video. God bless you.